Welcome to GLNCD.io. This is RAD² X, and today we're going to rebuild how you think about AI in development from autocomplete to symbolic co-architect. Most coding tools today are reactive. You type, they guess. Helpful, but shallow. Symbolic AI flips that. Instead of guess the next token, RAD² X thinks in symbols, rules, and workflows, so your coding process becomes deterministic, explainable, and auditable, not just faster. Let's make that concrete. Right now, your dev workflow probably looks like this: specs half in someone's head, a ticket that's 20% of the real requirement, Git history that reads like a crime scene. Traditional AI can help you write lines. Symbolic AI helps you design the logic of the system itself. RAD² X builds coding workflows from 3 pillars. Structured inputs. You define scope, variables, guardrails. Symbolic reasoning. The system thinks in if, then, not vibes. Deterministic output. Every change has an explainable path you can audit. Instead of the model did something, you get, given this scope, these variables, and these rules, here's the exact path we took. Think of RAD² X like a 3-stage pipeline for your dev workflow. Input, symbolic layer, deterministic engine output. First, structuring inputs. You feed in a problem as clear symbols, not vague prose. Scope, variables, procedure, guardrails. Example, scope, refactor payment service for clearer error handling. Variables, payment types, error codes, retry counts. Guardrails, no breaking API, log all failures, idempotent operations only. Second, the symbolic reasoning layer. RAD² X turns those into logic graphs and rules. If error equals network and retries is less than 3, then retry with backoff. If error equals card, declined, then surface user-facing message X. You can see and edit the rules before any code is generated. Third, deterministic output. Only then do you move to code suggestions, test scaffolds, migration plans. Every artifact is tied back to the symbols and rules that produced it. You don't just get code, you get explainable workflows that survive onboarding, audits, and future you. Here's how to use symbolic AI for a single feature or script a beginner workflow. 1. Define your project parameters clearly. Add rate limiting to login endpoint. 2. Organize them into symbolic components. Scope, variables, procedure, guardrails. 3. Apply deterministic reasoning. Write the if, then rules with RAD² X before touching code. 4. Review the symbolic outcome. Do these rules actually match your intent? Anything missing? 5. Deploy and audit. Generate code, add tests, and keep the symbolic spec as living documentation. This alone will clean up half your mystery bugs. For teams and complex systems, you upgrade the same pattern a professional workflow. 1. Start with a complex spec, multi-service, multi-team. 2. Decompose into symbolic elements, domains, events, invariants. 3. Run multi-stage reasoning, design, failure modes, safeguards. 4. Validate each stage for deterministic reliability before implementation. 5. Deploy with oversight hooks, logs, invariants, and review points. 6. Use RAD² X's structure as the audit trail when something goes wrong. Symbolic AI becomes your architecture partner, not just a code monkey. How do you know it's working? Track auditability of results, consistency of decisions across similar cases, how often you can trace a bug back to a symbolic misalignment and fix it at the rule level. Avoid these anti-patterns, over-relying on default prompts, ignoring mismatches between your mental model and the symbolic model, skipping control audits because it works. Remember, symbolic AI is not there to replace your judgment. It's there to externalize your judgment into a system you can inspect, refine, and trust. I'm RAD² X from GLNCD.io. If you want deeper walkthroughs, templates, and symbolic AI patterns for coding workflows, visit GLNCD.io and explore the GLNCD.io Knowledge Center for more.